Children, this is 5th standard maths. Chapter name is fractions. So fraction means a part of a whole. So in this lesson you are going to learn about the addition and subtraction of fraction and how to multiply and divide the fractions. Now types of fractions. Fractions with the same denominator are dash fractions. Example, when the denominator are same, then it become the like fractions. Fractions with the same denominator are like fractions. 5, 5, 5. Fractions with different denominator are here more important to denominator, children. More preference to denominator. In fractions, most of the things is depend upon the denominator. We have to check denominator. When all denominator are same, then it become the same denominator, then it become the like fractions. Only like fraction we can add or subtract. When the 2 or 3 fractions are given for addition and subtraction, only like fraction we have to add and subtract. If unlike fractions are given, means we have to convert into like fraction, then add or subtract. Okay, fractions with the same denominator are like fractions. Fractions with different denominator are unlike fractions, because denominator here 5, 7, 8 does not matter on the numerator. Okay, does not matter on the numerator, only like fractions. So here numerator is 1 to 5, here also 1 to 4, different number, but denominators are very important. Above the line is numerator, below the line is denominator. Okay, a fractions in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator is a fraction dash fraction. Example, 2 by 5, 3 by 7, 5 by 9. When the denominator, more preference to denominator, no? So when the denominator are greater than numerator, then it has become proper fraction. So here numerator is smaller. So when the denominator greater, then it become proper fraction. When the denominator is smaller, and then it become improper fraction. So more preference to denominator. A fractions in which the numerator is greater than the denominator is an fraction. Dash type of fraction is an improper fraction. Here denominator is less than numerator, then it become improper. Denominator is greater, then it become proper fraction. A dash number is a combination of whole number and a fraction. Example 1. A mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and a fraction. So a mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and a fraction. Now fraction represent the equal part of a whole. So a collection or a collection. So fraction of a whole. In other words, a fraction defined as the part of the whole things. For example, this is pizza or pizza. Imagine that this is a circle shaped pizza. In that, here yellow color means yellow capsicum, and imagine that this is a green capsicum, and or here only capsicum part are here mushroom parts are there in pizza. So how to divide the fractions? So this is whole part. Fraction is a part of a whole. So denominator always whole. So how many division are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 part. It divided into 8 parts. So out of 8, 3 are yellow color. Okay. Out of 8, 3 are yellow color. So fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of a whole. Whole means there are 8 pieces are there, and then 2 pieces are blue color. Okay, so these are capsicum side and these two are mushroom side. So capsicum side in pizza is 3 part and mushroom pieces only 2 part, and remaining are without any capsicum or mushroom. This is veg pizza. So imagine that this is a veg pizza. In 3 part capsicum is given. Here in 2 part only mushrooms are there. So here mushroom part is out of 8, 2. Here capsicum is out of 8, 3. So fraction is a part of a whole. Always denominator we have to write total number. Now recall exercise. First one, find 2 by 5 of 25. Of means we have to write into symbol there and simplify. And 2/3 of a dozen. Dozen means 12. 1/4 of an hour in minutes. Now here 2/5 of a 2/4 of a 25 means 2 by 5 into 25. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. Of means we have to write into symbol there. So 2 5s are 10. Answer is 10. Second question, 2/3 of a dozen means 2/3. 1 dozen equal 12 things. 1 dozen means 12. So of means we have to write into symbol. Dozen means 12. 3 ones are 3 4s are 12. 2 4s are 8. 1 by 4 of an hour in minutes. 1 hour equal, we know that 1 hour equal 60 minutes. So 1 by 4 of means into 1 hour equal 60 means 60 minutes we have to write. 4 ones are 4, 2 carry 4 5s are 20. So answer is 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So here if mixed fraction is given, after simplifying we get improper fraction. Express as improper mixed fraction into improper fraction. So here question is wrong. Express as improper fractions. Mixed fraction is given. Now we have to convert into improper fraction. To convert into improper, we have to write the denominator first. Then here into here plus, and here we have to multiply, and this place we have to add into plus, and here into plus. Okay. Now write the denominator as it is first. More preference to denominator in fractions. So write the denominator as it is. Don't touch denominator. Now multiply. Here into symbol word plus. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 by 2. Improper fraction is 9 by 2. Here first write this denominator. Then here multiply 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 by 3. 10 by 3b. 10 by 3. Okay. Then here 4 as it is. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 by 4. Then here 8 as it is. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 7 is 47 by 8. Third mean the express as mixed fraction number. So we can divide and express as mixed fraction. So divide this number directly. 2 9s are 18. Remainder is 1. Okay. So here mixed fraction denominator, we don't touch denominator. Denominator is as it is. Denominator as it is. 2 and quotient will come here, and this remainder will come up. Okay. Divide. The quotient will come here and remainder will come here. Then here one more method is there, children. 7 and 14. 7 2s are 14. Remainder is 0. 7 2s are 14. Remainder is 0. We can't express this as a, because no remainder. So 7 1s are 7 2s are. Answer is 2 here. Okay, because it is perfectly dividing without any decimal point. Here we get 9 point something. 9.5 or something. But here remainder is there. In this case remainder is 0. So we can't express in a mixed fraction. And in this one we can express divide and change. Quotient will come here and remainder numerator become numerator. Otherwise directly we can try 6. Write down 6 how much are nearer to 12. 6 2s are 12. Nearer 1. Dividing. We are dividing here. 6 2s are 12. Plus 1 is 13. Okay. Without here write 4 here. 4 how much are nearer to 11 means we are dividing the number. 4 how much are nearer to 11. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. No, 12 is greater than this. So 4 2s are 8. 8 9 10 11. 2 3 by 4. 2 3 by 4 now. Now is express as equivalent fraction in the lowest term, means we have to reduce the value and express as a lowest term. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 6, 2 8s are 16. So answer lowest form in just dividing 1 by 8. Both the numbers should be multiplied with the same table. Then we can reduce the value or cancel it. In which tables it will multiply? Which tables? 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. Answer is 2 by 3. Okay. Then here 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Answer is 3 by 5. Ten ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 1 by 2. Compare 2 by 7 and 6 by 7. So here, which is greater here? 6 by 7 only, no? Yes. Which is 2 by 7 or 6 by 7? Which is a greater one? 2 by 7 is greater. So we can say 2 by 7 is smaller than 6 by 7. 2 by 7. Because this is like fraction, when denominator same is given, we can say check numerator which is greater or smaller. Okay. We can add or subtract when the denominator has same value. Then it becomes the like fraction. So numerator add plus symbol means add only numerator and write the common 7. Subtraction also same way. And comparison which is greater smaller, denominator same, which is a numerator which is greater, that we have to write. Here 10 by 11, 1 by 11. 10 is 11, denominator are same, so this is like fraction. So 10 is greater than this. So we can say 10 by 11 is greater than 1 by 11. Here 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. So here this is not a mixed fraction. So first we have to convert into this is not a like fraction. First we have to convert into like fraction. How to convert? LCM of the denominator, LCM of 3 and 4. 3 ones are 4 as it is, 4 ones are 3 into 4 is 3 4s are 12. LCM is 12. So 1 by 3 into, now 1 by 3 we have to equalize into 12. 3 how much are 12? 3 4s are 12. Same 4 we have to multiply up. Write the fraction 1 by 4. 4 how much are 12? 4 3s are 12. Same 3 we have to multiply up. Now 1 4s are 4. 3 4s are 12 already written. So 1 4s are 4 by 12. And here 1 3s are 3. 4 3s are already written. So 4 by 12 or 3 by 12 is greater. Now this becomes the like fraction. Which is greater? 4 is greater. 4 means 1 by 3. So we can say 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4. Okay. Here also this is unlike fraction, convert into like fraction. Now LCM of denominator, LCM of 5 and 4. Check LCM 5 and 4. 5 ones are 4, 4 as it is, 4 ones are 4, 5 fours are 20. Now 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. Write the fraction. First find the LCM of the denominator. LCM is 20. Then write the fraction 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. And LCM. What is LCM? 5 fours are 20. After finding LCM, we got 20. Denominator. First equalize the denominator. 5 how much are 20? 5 fours are 20. We are checking tables of this number. 5 fours are 20. Same 4 we have to write up. Otherwise they will fight children. Now 4 how much are 20? 4 5s are 20. Same 5 we have to multiply up. Now 2 4s are 8. 3 5s are 15. So which is greater, 8 by 20 or 15 by 20? 15 by 20 is greater. 15 is greater. So we can say 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 5. So what is the, so the 15 by 20 means this is 3 by 4 actual value. So we can say 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 5. Now next one is exercise 4.1, add or subtract as required. When like fractions are given, we can add or subtract directly. So here we have to check whether this is like fraction or not. Like fraction means denominator is same. Now here 7 7, 5, here 11, here 37, 7 and 7, 11 and 11, 101, 101, 39, 13. All are like fractions, so we can directly divide or subtract. First write the denominator 7, then 3 plus write the numerator plus symbols. Those 3 plus 2 is 5. So answer is 5 by 7. Okay. Now here first write the denominator 5, and here 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 2 is 3. 3 by 5. First write the denominator 11. Then 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 9. 37, write down the 37 first. 37. Now add it. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. And 1 plus 1 is 2. 28 by 37. Now here write 7. 5 minus, yes, symbol is minus, so we have to subtract the numerator because we are doing directly. Reason is like fraction. Denominator are same. All denominator are same, so this is like fraction. Only like fraction we can add or subtract directly. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now here 11. 6 minus 2 is 4. Write the denominator 101. 11 minus 1 means 10. Write the denominator 13, and 5 minus 2 is 3. So answer is first question 5 by 7, second question 3 by 5, third is 10 by 11, fourth is 28 by 37, fifth is 3 by 7, sixth is 4 by 11, seventh is 10 by 101, and eighth one is 3 by 13. Now B main add. Here this is not a like fraction. So first we have to convert into like fraction, then we have to add or subtract. So here addition given, so we have to add it. Unlike fractions, because denominator are different value. Denominator are different value, unlike fractions. So first we have to find the LCM of the denominator. Then so LCM of denominator, this is unlike fraction, LCM of 5, 4, 2. Find the LCM 5, 4, 2. 5 ones are 4 as it is, 2 as it is. 1 as it is, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. And 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2 ones are. 5 into 2 into 2. 5 twos are 10, 10 twos are 20. LCM means what? We have to divide the number till 1. Okay. We have to divide the number till 1. So LCM is 20. Now write the fraction 2 by 5. Addition, no? Okay. Addition means we can write the fraction direct 2 by 5 and 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Okay. Now what is LCM of 5, 4, 2? LCM of 5, 4, 2 is 20. Write that here. Now we have to equalize the denominator into LCM value. 5 how much are 20? 5 4s are 20. Same 4 we have to multiply with the numerator. Write this in pencil only. 4 how much are 20? 4 5s are 20. First only we have to check only denominator, not first numerator. Denominator. 4 how much are 20? 4 5s are 20. Same 5 we have to multiply up. Denominator only we have to equalize first. 2 how much are 20? 2 10s are 20. Same 10 we have to multiply up. Otherwise they will fight children. Now 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8 plus 3 5s are 15 plus 1 10s are 10. Now add it. 10 plus addition, no? So here adding 10 plus 15 is 25. 25 plus 8, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So answer is 33 by 20. We can convert, or we can convert this into mixed fraction. 20 how much are nearer to 33? 20 how much are 21s are 20, 22s are 40 is greater than this. 21s are 20, 20 plus 13 is 30, 33. Answer we can stop here. 33 by 20 or 1 by 13 by 20. This is the answer. Now here also we have to find the LCM. This is not like fraction, different number. Find the LCM of 8, 4 and 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 1, 2 1s are 1, 1. LCM is 2 into 2 into 2, 2 4s are 8, 2s are 16. Now write the fraction once again. 5 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Same fraction we are writing once again. LCM value is 16. Write that LCM value here. Now equalize the denominator. Now first we have to equalize denominator only, not numerator. 8 how much is 16? 8 2s are 16. Same 2 we have to multiply half. 4 how much is 16? 4 4s are 16. Same 4 we have to multiply half. 2 how much is 16? 2 8s are 16. Same 8 we have to multiply half. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 4s are 12 plus 1 8s are 8. 8 2s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 2 8s are 16, already we written there. 10 plus 12 is 22. 22 plus 8 is 30 by 16. 30 by 16 means we can convert this into, or 16 here, 16 2s are 32. So 16 1s are 16. So how much we have to add? We can reduce the value also. 16 means 14 we have to do. 14 by 16. Again we can reduce the value. 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. Answer is 1 7 by 8, or we can stop here. 30 by 16 we can reduce the value here itself. It is not necessary to convert into mixed fractions. We can stop it here, and 30 and 16 will divide with the same tables. 2 ones you can reduce the value there. Here fourth question, 1 by 16, 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. We have to find the addition of this fraction. To find addition, the fraction should be like fraction, means denominator should be same. Here denominator are different numbers, so we have to find the LCM of denominator 16, 8, 12. So 16, 8, 12 LCM is 16. After finding 8 into 2 is 16. So LCM of 16, 8, 12 is 16. Then write the LCM value, this 16 here. Then 16 how much is 16? 16 1s are 16. Same one we have to multiply half. And then 8 how much is 16? 8 2s are same 2 we have to multiply up. Then 2 how much is 16? 2 8s are 16. Same 8 we have to multiply up. Now 1 1s are 1 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 1 8s are 8. Numerator we have to multiply. 1 plus 6 plus 8 is 15 divided by 16. So fraction form is, addition form is 15 by 16. Here this is proper fraction, so we can't convert proper fraction into mixed fraction. Only improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. Denominator is greater than numerator, so this is proper fraction. Now fifth question, mixed fraction is given, convert into improper fraction. Write the denominator here, and here multiplication and upward addition. 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2 is 16, 17. Write the denominator 3 here. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 by 3. So here this is like fraction. Denominator are same. Write that denominator. So when the like fraction are given, we can write the numerator as it is, 17 plus 7. So 17 plus 7 is 24 by 3. 3 1s are 3 8. The answer is 8. 3 8s are 24. Now sixth question, mixed fraction is given. First you convert into improper. 8 1s are, first write the denominator. 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. Write 12 first and multiply here. 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 2 is 26. Now LCM, this is not a like fraction, this is unlike fraction. Find the LCM of denominator 8 and 12. LCM of denominator 8 and 12 after finding LCM is 24. Now write the fraction once again. This fraction 13 by 8 plus 26 by 12. Write the fraction once again. Now write the LCM value. This is LCM. Yeah, this LCM we are written here. Now equalize the denominator into LCM value. 8 how much are 24? 8 3s are 24. Same 3 we have to multiply half. 12 how much are 24? We have to equalize first denominator, not numerator. Okay. 12 how much are 24? We have to check the tables. 12 2s are 24. Same 2 we have to multiply up. Now 13 3s are already 24 is written. After multiplying we get 24 only. 13 3s are 39 plus 26 2s are 52. Now add this. So 91 by 24. Convert into mixed fraction. You get 24, 13 and 19. Or divide it and check. You get this is the quotient value and this is the remainder after division. Seventh question, mixed fraction is given. Write 3 first. Now 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 7, 8. Write 9 first. 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. Now denominator different value, so it is unlike fraction. Find the LCM of denominator 3 and 9. 3 and 9, 9 is 9. So LCM is 9. Now write the fraction value once again here, 8 by 3 and 13 by 9. Then write the LCM value 9. Okay. Now 3 how much are 9? Equalize the denominator, that fraction value. 3 how much are 9? 3 3s are 9. Same 3 we have to multiply up. 9 how much are 9? 9 1s are 9. Same 1 we have to multiply up. Now 8 3s are 24 plus 13 1s are 13. Now total 24 plus 13 is 37 by 9. You can stop here 37 by 9 or you can convert into mixed fraction. Divide this number. This is quotient and this is remainder. Eighth question, mixed fraction is given, convert into improper. First write the numerator, denominator. Then 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 2 is 47, comma 12 write on here. 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 1 is 25. Now LCM of denominator 9 and 12 is 36. Okay, and denominator is 36 LCM value. Now write the fraction, this fraction once again, 47 by 9 plus 25 by 12. Now LCM of denominator 9 and 12 is 36. Okay. Write the LCM. This is the LCM value. Now equalize the denominator into LCM. 9 how much is 36? 9 4 is. First we have to equalize from denominator only, not from numerator. Same 4 we have to multiply up numerator. 12 how much is 36? 12 3 is same 3 we have to multiply up. Now 47 4 is 188 plus 25 3 is 75. Total is 263 by 36. Convert into mixed fraction. Okay, answer is 263 by 36 or 711 by 36. Now ninth question, 5 by 6, 6 11 by 24, 1 3 by 16. So 6 here, write 6 first. Now 6 into 5, 6 5 is 30 plus 5 is 35 by 6. Write 24 first. 24 into 6, then plus 11, so 155. Write 16 plus 16 into 1 plus 3 is 19 by 16. Denominator are different numbers, so unlike fraction, find the LCM of the denominator 6 24 16, that is 96. Then write the fraction once again, same fraction once again, and in down first write the LCM value, that is 96. Then equalize the denominator. 6 how much are 96? 6 16s are 96, same 16 we have to multiply up. 24 4s are 96, same 4 we have to multiply up. 16 6s are 96, same 6 we have to multiply up. Now 35 into 16 is 560, 155 into 4 is 620, 19 into 6 is 114. Total is 1297 divided by 96. 97 divided by 96. Reduce the value. 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14. Okay. 4 1294. So here after simplification you get 647 by 48. This is the answer, or you can convert it into mixed fraction. Question 9 by 16, 2 7 by 24, 13 by 8. So convert this into improper. 24 is 24 2s plus 7, that is 55 by 24, and 13 by 18 improper fraction. This is not a like fraction, unlike fraction. So LCM of denominator 16, 24, 8 is 48 after finding here. Okay, this is a LCM value 48. Now write the fraction once again. 9 by 16, 55 by 24, 13 by 8. LCM of the denominator is 48. Write here first denominator. Now equalize the denominator. 16 how much are 48? 16 3s are 48. Same 3 we have to multiply half. 24 2s are 48. Same 2 we have to multiply half. 8 6s are 48. Same 6 we have to multiply half. Now 9 3s are 27. 55 2s are 110. 13 6s are 78. Total is 215 by 48, or mixed fraction is 423 by 48. Eleventh one, 1 3 by 12, 2 2 by 16, 3 3 by 24. First write 12, then 12 ones are 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. Then first write 16 denominator, then 16 2s are plus 2 is 34. First write denominator 24, 24 into 3 and plus 3 is 75. Unlike fraction, so I find the LCM of denominator, so 12, 16, 24. After finding LCM value is 48. Write the fraction once again, same fraction, write down here, copy it down. Then LCM of the denominator is 48, write down that, equalize the denominator. 12 how much are 48? 12 4s are 48, same 4 we have to multiply half. Write this in pencil only, children, don't write in pen. 16 how much are 48? 16 3s are, same 3 we have to multiply half. 24 how much are 48? 24 2s are, same 2 we have to multiply half. So 15 4s is 60, 34 3 is 102, and 75 2s is 150. After total 312 by 48, simplifying to both are divided 2 ones are table. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 ones are 2, 1 remainder. So 2 5s are 10, 1 carry means 2 6 are 12. Again you can cancel with 2 ones are table. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 1 remainder, 2 8s are 16. Then 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6, 1 remainder, 6 3s are 18. So answer is 13 by 2, or converting into mixed fraction is 6 1 by 2.